Hey there, when you're microwaving stuff, if you don't have a lid, do you use a napkin that just puts on there like that and then it gets all nasty if you're going to microwave and heat stuff up? Sometimes we used to use a wax paper kind of thing that we put on there, but it doesn't really hold on there, and as it spins around, it falls off and all that. Well, I just got this new product in. Check it out. Now, this is a microwavable lid that you can use to put over the top of things. Now, it is actually in a flat type position, so you can see it's very, very flat. Of course, you can put that over the top of it just like that, not a problem. Or you can do this to it and extend it out. There's actually several layers. It actually folds down into several different sizes. Now this whole thing can fit right over the top of that with no problem. So let's go ahead and put it into the microwave and test it out. As you can see, our microwave has splatters all over in it, and we have to always keep it clean because the food splatters out, and that's where this comes into handy. I'm going to just set this right over the top. Now this actually fits over the whole top of the turntable part of it, so it sits right there. The food is going to turn inside of it, and then there's also the little holes up here for steam and so forth to escape. Now this does come in different sizes. This is their largest size, or you can get in different packs, like a 2-pack, 3-pack. You can get the smaller size and so forth. So I'm going to put this in here for a few minutes, and we'll come back and take a look. Okay, it's been a few minutes now after I heated this up, and you can see that there's some steam inside, some condensation, but with the steam lid on it, it's not too bad. So when you take it out, it's not going to like burn you with a bunch of steam coming off, and you get some nice warm food. So there you go. There you have it inside. You can see it's got some stuff in it, some splatter on the inside, which is good because this is a lot easier to wash than it is to wash your microwave, which I still have to do. Anyways, if you're looking for some nice microwave covers for your food, this one may be the right one for you.